In our last episode, we witnessed the birth of Karna, the son of the sun god, abandoned by his mother and raised by a charioteer. But destiny had bigger plans for him. Though the world called him Sutaputra, Karna knew he was born for greatness. But to become a warrior, he had to first fight the greatest battle, the battle against discrimination and fate itself. As a child, Karna would secretly watch the great Dronacharya train the royal princes. His heart burned with desire. He wanted to hold a bow, to fight, to be recognized. But there was one problem. He was not of royal blood.
Look at him. A mere charioteer's son dares to dream of being a warrior?
He should learn to drive chariots, not wield a bow.
Karna clenches his fists, determination in his eyes.
I may not be a prince, but I will become the greatest warrior this world has ever seen. Guru Dronacharya, please accept me as your student. I wish to learn the art of warfare.
I train only the Kshatriyas, the warriors of royal blood. You are a charioteer's son. Go and learn the skills of your caste.
Karna faced rejection, not because of his abilities, but because of his birth. But his spirit was unbreakable. There was only one man who could teach Karna, the legendary Parshuram, the master of all weapons. But there was a problem. Parshuram hated Kshatriyas and only trained Brahmins. Karna, now desperate, disguises himself as a Brahman and approaches Parshuram.
Great sage, I seek your guidance in the art of warfare. Please accept me as your disciple.
If you are a Brahman, I shall teach you. But remember, power comes with responsibility.
Karna learned faster than anyone before him. Soon, he was ready to become the greatest warrior. One day, Parshuram is resting on Karna's lap. A giant scorpion stings Karna's leg, but he remains still, bearing the pain in silence. Parshuram wakes up and sees Karna's bleeding leg.
A Brahman could never endure such pain. Tell me the truth. Who are you?
Karna bows his head, silent. Parshuram realized the truth. Karna was not a Brahman. Feeling deceived, he cursed Karna.
Since you lied, I curse you. At the most crucial moment of battle, you will forget all the knowledge I have given you.
Karna looks devastated, but accepts his fate. Karna, now a young warrior, practicing archery on his own, growing stronger every day. Despite his curse, Karna did not stop. He practiced harder, pushing himself beyond his limits. He knew his time would come. This was Karna's moment. He entered the tournament, ready to challenge the mightiest warrior, Arjuna. Karna and Arjuna standing face to face, ready to fight. Visual of Karna aiming his bow at Arjuna, suspense builds. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gupshup Tunes for the next thrilling episode of Karna's journey.